In this video I'm going to show you the Pal Lighting Even Glow Spa and Pool Light Color Touch lighting system. And the Even Glow lights are designed for new builds. They're also designed to retrofit your existing light fixture. So if you have a 6-inch niche or an 8-inch niche with an existing pool light, these lights will fit in there perfectly. And these lights are also compatible with your existing automated system, so they work fine on a Pentair, Jandy, or Hayward Automated system. And this receiver driver that goes with the lights also comes with a remote control. So you can control the lights with this remote control. You can also control it with your smartphone or device with the app. Another unique feature of this light is that it creates an even glow, hence the name. So you won't have any harsh LED lights in the pool. You'll have a consistent light spectrum throughout the whole pool or spa. And this light can also produce up to 16 million color combinations. And both the pool and spa light fixture come with 80 feet of cord. Another nice feature of this light is that if you have to replace the fixture, you can just simply unplug it from the cord here. There's no need to run the cord again to the junction box. You would just simply plug in the new light fixture. You would simply get the new fixture, simply plug it into the cord. And the Pal Even Glow light fixtures are backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty. And one reason a lot of people don't want to use their pool and spa light is because of the power usage. If you have a standard pool and spa light, typically you're using about 500 watts per hour. And in contrast, the Pal lights only use 37 watts every hour of operation. And that's equivalent to about 13 times less energy being used by the Pal light over your standard pool and spa light. Again, these lights are compatible with any spa or existing pool niche. And your installer is going to remove your existing pool and spa light fixture. And then he'll run the new Pal Even Glow lights and also the cord to the junction box. And once the new spa and pool light fixture are installed, the installer will then wire it to the included driver. And now you can use the included remote control to control your new Pal Even Glow pool and spa lights. And the remote is very user friendly. You have the on off right here. And then you have this wheel here where you would spin the different colors. You can also dim the lights. This controls the speed of the lights, the color changing of the lights, and these are different modes, so they have different kind of color shows that you can use. And Pal Lighting has over 30 years experience in aquatic lighting, and there are many great features of these lights besides the remote and the optional app control. In the reference to the name of the lights, the Even Glow lights, you're not going to have any more harsh LED incandescent lights, nor are you going to have any more hot laser light beams across the pool. The Even Glow lights will reduce shadows and hot spots in the pool and give it a very even look. These lights also feature an infinite color combination as you spin the color wheel in the app or with the remote control. And you can see here from this shot from the shallow end of the pool that the lights evenly project across the entire pool, so the shallow end has just as much light as the deep end. And if you use these lights in Pal mode without any automated system, you can dim these lights, which is a great feature. So you can actually put the light setting to any level that you want in your pool, from very dim to very bright. So the Pal Even Glow lights will definitely transform the look of your pool and spa at nighttime in your backyard. These are an amazing set of lights. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.